papaano ba bilang kami nakapaligid sa mga ganito, how can we actually really help, ano? Hindi help para lalo silang malulong, kundi help talaga na para sila ay makaahon.
Okay. Well, lagi kong sinasabi, no, every time I talk to families, when they come to me for help, ang sinasabi ko lagi sa kanila is, paying their obligations or cleaning up their mess will really not help an individual who's addicted to gambling. Ang nangyayari, nai-empower at nagiging nai-enable at natotolerate natin yung habit. So what I tell families, of course, to seek professional help. Kaya sa amin, marami kasing Pilipino na undiagnosed. Hindi alam ng gambler na meron pala siyang genetic or predisposition na hindi niya nakikita na pwedeng maging sanhi ng addiction sa gambling.
Oo. So, na-mention niyo po, no, yung sabi niyo po, genetic. So,
Yes.
parang namamana yung habit? Ganun po ba?
Namamana yung addiction. Ibig sabihin, genetically you're predisposed. So you will notice na kung sa ating nung lumalaki tayo, may mga bagay na may mga kaibigan tayo na kayang magsugal at kaya ring bitawan ng pagsusugal. Pero tayo, pag nagsugal tayo, dire-diretso. So meaning you are predisposed compared to to your friends. So meron kang genetic factor na hindi mo nalalaman because you were not diagnosed.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. Meron pong genetic factor. Pero ano po yung kadalasang kwento po ng mga nalululong po sa online gambling, for instance?
Yes. Ang kadalasang kwento is it starts with, yayaan. Just like drugs and alcohol. Yayaan, without them knowing exactly who they are and what they are, and if they are genetically predisposed. Pag niyaya sila, nagustuhan nila, they have experienced a cloud-9 feeling. Hindi na nila makakalimutan ito. Ang brain will record the cloud-9 feeling of winning. So, syempre, pagka meron kang cloud-9 feeling of winning, magsi-switch on ngayon yung genetic na sinasabi ko sa iyo. Para siyang invisible switch sa brain natin na nag-turn on yon when the cloud-9 feeling or the neurotransmitter secretes happy chemicals, excessive happy chemicals into the brain. So hindi niya yon makakalimutan. Marirecord na yun ng brain niya, tapos paulit-ulit niya nang gagawin. Hahanap-hanapin niya na yun.